to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Burnet County, Northeastern Llano County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Burnet, Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, Inks Lake State Park, and Tow. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Your local forecast.